Hey everybody, welcome back to Maddie
and Alice's podcast.
Alice. Next
you
time.
You do download, I guess.
Okay. So today, Alice is gonna play
with dolls,
and I'm gonna teach you how to make a flower out of
blocks.
They're not like really blocks, but these things.
Those are blocks.
So,
we have one of these boots.
First, someone's gonna come up, but we're fine. So, first let's do dolls, okay? Which dolls?
Both, right?
Okay, so first, I'm the pink one.
Yeah, right.
I'm the pink one, and it doesn't matter which clothes they get. And if we accidentally turn upside down or sideways, please just turn the camera too. We're really sorry if we do.
Is this upside down?
No, we're not.
I want to be upside down once.
Just once in the next episode. We'll call it Upside Down Junior.
What?
Because we're going to be in our room, and it's going to be less time. Okay.
What?
Okay, I'm the red person.
I want to be the red person.
Alice, we already made a good discussion.
Okay.
Okay, we're only going to play, like, is it Pretty Day or Flower Day or something?
Pretty Day.
Okay. So we're only going to do Pretty Day, okay?
No balls.
Alice, we made a discussion.
Okay.
Okay. Where is my bow? It's the best bow in the world. I need my bow to make me twirled. Pretend you're like, is that even a word?
Is that even a word?
Yeah, sure it is. Just get me my other shoe. Say fine.
Fine.
I really need it. Say fine, Miss Heathers.
Fine, Miss Heathers.
Okay. Oh no, my walker! Get my walker! Here it is, my walker. My dress is tilted. Can you fix it?
Yeah.
Thank you. Let me look in the mirror. Should I put it sideways or great?
Great.
I'm so sorry about that. Okay, so great.
Can I use one of your toppings?
Sure, you can. Let's go. Let's go. Uh-oh. Let's go. Oh, let's go. It's Pretty Day. I'm so sorry again. This is just super wobbly. Alice, come on.
Okay, why? Why?
Because we're almost done with Fancy Day.
Okay.
Let's go on the night tonight. You look gorgeous. Come look for yourself.
I need my walker too. I need my walker, please.
Oh my goodness! You look terrible now without any clothes on. Look what she looks like. You laugh at it, you're in it. If you laugh at it, then you're in it. Let's go on the night tonight. It's gonna be the night forever. Okay, that's good. Let's go out and see. Oh, my gown. I only got you so I could be the prettiest person in town. Say, oh, and you can. We both can. Say, Okay, let's go now. Lady. Oh, stop. Everything's red. Lady. They call her Maddie and her lady. Okay. Who thinks we're prettier? Oh, yes, you do. Oh, let's go to the prettiest contest. Okay, let's go. Wait, Alice, wait. No, it's this way. Sorry, you go to the wrong contest. Fine, it can be. Why do I keep doing that? I am so sorry, everybody.
I have a different contest.
Okay. Say, but it's related to yours.
But it's related to yours.
Okay, so that means I can take off my bow right now.
Yeah.
Look at it. Okay. I get first pick? Oh my goodness. I won. I'm the prettiest of all. Hey, hey, Maddie. Maddie, who did the judges say was the prettiest of all?
Well, I don't know.
Who was the prettiest?
I think it was
Me or you? It was you? Oh, no. I mean, good job for you. And that's where they go to bed, and that's all. So, I have a question for you. Who did you actually think was the prettiest? Then in the next video, we're going to say who we thought was the prettiest. And when you think you know who you thought was the prettiest, write it down on a sheet of paper so you can remember it. Okay? Now, I'm going to show you how to make a flower out of these things.
Oh, they block.
I don't think they're blocks. So first, get the red circled thingy. I forget what it's called, and then set it down. Then get 6 blue squares or whatever colored squares you have. So 6 squares.
I do.
So these are what the squares look like. And then put them down on your, I'll show you how I do it. So put them down, on the flat side of your, red thingy. Here, I'll show you. This, like that. So, yeah. And then get the diamonds. Get 6 diamonds, I believe. Yeah, I think it's 6 diamonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then put them in the gaps. I'll show you again. So you just put the diamonds in the gaps. I've done this a lot of times. So don't worry, it's safe. Like that. Good. Okay, now get 6 triangles.
6 triangles, what are those?
And then put them on top of all the squares. I'll show you again.
I have a question. Do you have to go bad soon? I can see you wriggling. Did that make
Good. So like this. And then you can add more. So if you do want to add more, here's what you can do. Take two of your white things, and then, or you can take 3. I think it's 3. So take 3 and then put them in like, I'll show you how I do it. I can't really explain it, but I'll show you. And then I'll try to figure out a way to explain it.
Oh, I just messed up my gloves. Oh, I'll do them again.
Okay, slow. One moment. I'm just trying to get this done. Okay, this will look pretty cool when you're done. You don't have to do what I'm doing. You can be creative and do whatever you want to do. Or you can just do what I'm doing. Or if you don't have these, you can just watch. Ooh, this is looking pretty cool to me. Hope you were here to see it, actually.
You have to go back and the ground like this. Do you have to go, Maddie? Maybe, yes. No. I'm ready.
I'm almost done. This is like the last one.
Okay.
Else, I wasn't talking to you.
Okay.
Stop saying okay.
Okay.
Alice.
Okay.
So it kind of looks pretty cool. So what I did is I took 3 of the white stuff and then I put them in one place and then I skipped the next place and then I put 3 white stuff on the next place and then skipped the other place and then you know how it goes.
Oh, it looks like a little snowflake.
Do you like it?
It looks like a snowflake.
Alice, do you like it?
Yeah, it looks like a snowflake.
Thanks. So, should I add more right now? So I'll add more.
More.
I'll add more.
Yeah, like this. Oh, yeah.
What is Alice playing? So I just am adding a little more to these glamour videos. World full of people you can remember. Just call me. I'll always be there, 'cause I see your true colors and true colors. See your true colors. That's why I love you. Okay, I'm sorry if you don't like that song, but it's just stuck in my head. So don't. And if you want me to stop singing it, I'll stop singing it. Okay?
Stop saying okay.
Okay, fine.
Stop saying okay.
Fine. Thank you for not saying okay.
You just said okay.
You just said okay.
You just said okay.
So did you.
No, you did.
Okay.
Stop saying
Yay!
okay. You just said okay.
So this is what I kind of did. So I put 2 triangles in every I put the 2 triangles and
Look in the mirror.
okay, just I put every 2 triangles and stop, Alice. Stop. But I'm sorry about that. I put every 2 triangles in the gaps of the whites. So that's how it got pretty cool. And that's all for today. Oh, did you want me to read a story?
Yeah.
The Little Mermaid. Alice wanted me to read it. Okay, so I'm going to read it. It's called The Little Mermaid. The Little Mermaid.
Oh, I like Ariel.
Under the sea, a beautiful mermaid named Ariel longs to be part of mysterious human world above.
It's mysterious.
Oh, mysterious human above. Thanks, Alice. I couldn't really get through that. You actually know it. When Ariel rescues a drowning prince, she falls in love and sings to him until he wakes. Her father, King Triton, tells Ariel humans are dangerous and forbids her from going to the surface again. That's sad. She saved someone, though.
It's Eric.
Yeah.
But he doesn't know her name, right?
But Ariel would do anything to see her prince. She visits Ursula, the sea witch, who agrees to make Ariel human in exchange for the princess's voice. She has a really beautiful voice.
Uh-oh. The beautiful voice is going away.
Ariel agrees and returns to the surface. Now she must get to the prince to kiss her in 3 days' time, or she will belong to Ursula forever. That's sad. That's mean too. That looks like Belle, kind of. Prince Eric doesn't recognize Ariel, but he is kind to her. Even though she could not speak, the two begin to fall in love. Wow, that's cool.
But when they kiss, they fall into the water, right?
Furious Ursula transforms herself into a woman named Vanessa. She uses Ariel's voice to cast a spell on Eric, and he asks Vanessa to marry him. Ooh. Vanessa kind of looks like Belle. If she does, can you write it down on a paper or something? You don't have to, but...
Well, I thought her name was Ben.
Vanessa.
Oh, Vanessa.
Yeah, Vanessa. Quickly, Ariel's friends shatter Vanessa's enchanted... Wait, is this the right page or no? Yeah. Quickly, Ariel's friends shatter Vanessa's enchanted necklace, breaking the spell. When Ariel speaks, Eric knows that she is his true love. But it's too late. The sun sets, and Ariel belongs to the sea witch. King Triton saves his daughter by giving his power to Ursula. That's mean. Ursula's mean. That's sad, too.
And Vanessa's mean.
Yeah. Now Ursula rules the ocean, but Eric does not belong to the sea. He steers an old ship into Ursula's side and sinks her. Yay, Eric! Eric's our hero, right?
Yeah. Okay, no hero. Okay.
King Triton sees how much Ariel loves Eric. The king waves his Triton, making Ariel human so she can live happily ever after above the sea. The end. Good story, Alice. Thanks for picking it.
Bye.
So that's all we're going to do for today.
Bye.
Bye. See you next time. Bye.